Thanks for using our AI Career Advisor. We sincerely hope that our services have provided you with valuable career development consulting at no cost. As we continually strive to improve our offerings, we welcome your feedback and suggestions. Please feel free to reach out to us via email, WhatsApp, Line, or WeChat using the contact information provided below. Thank you for using our AI Career Advisor. We truly hope our services have provided you with valuable career development guidance at no cost. We encourage you to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest offerings. As we continually seek to enhance our services, we welcome your feedback and suggestions. Feel free to reach out to us via email, WhatsApp, Line, or WeChat using the contact information provided below. At the end of this tutorial, I'd like to share more about my mission and beliefs. Often, children from affluent families receive more professional career advice than those from less privileged backgrounds, which perpetuates the social wealth gap. To address this issue, I aim to bridge the career development gap for individuals from diverse financial, educational, sexual, racial, and national backgrounds by providing accessible alternatives to expensive professional coaching. Currently, we offer features for career exploration, job seeking, and interview preparation, and we plan to add more support and improve our service quality continually. I also evaluate our services against similar online AI career coaching products based on metrics such as affordability, coach professionalism, interface usability, guidance clarity, and target audience, helping you find the right fit for your career choices. If you're interested in professional human career coaching, Sternstunde Innovation also offers one-on-one sessions for just $30 per hour. Lastly, if you're considering making a donation, please contact us via email at sternstunde@allian.com for more details. Your contributions will help us develop additional low-cost or free innovative tools to benefit the community. Thank you for considering supporting our cause.